म गाउँ जानेछु।
I will go to village.
उनले मासु पकाउने छिन्।
She will make food meat.
She will make or she will cook meat. मेरो बहिनीले कोठा सजाउने छिन्।
My sister will decorate the room.
उसले नयाँ ज्याकेट किन्नेछ।
He will buy a new jacket.
भावनाले मिठो खाना पकाउने छिन्।
Bhavna will cook delicious food.
शिक्षकले धेरै प्रश्नहरू सोध्नुहुनेछ।
Teacher will ask many questions.
रेखाले अङ्ग्रेजी सिक्ने छिन्।
Rekha will learn English.
तिनीहरूले ब्याडमिन्टन खेल्नेछन्।
They will play badminton.
मेरो छोरीले स्कुलमा नाच्ने छिन्।
My daughter will dance at school.
तिमीले पोखरा भ्रमण गर्ने छैनौ।
You want visit Pokhara?
तिनीहरूले जोडले बोल्ने छैनन्।
They want speak loudly.
म कक्षा कोठामा मोबाइल फोन चलाउने छैन।
I want use mobile in the classroom.
उनले पौडिने छैनन्।
She want swim.
उसले औषधि लिने छैन।
He want take medicine.
मेरो बहिनीले कोठा सफा गर्ने छैन।
My sister want clean the room.
मैले गीत गाउने छैन।
I want sing a song.
तिमीले टिभी हेर्ने छैनौ।
You want watch TV.
उनले मलाई मद्दत गर्ने छैन।
She want help me.
मेरो बुवाले कपी चेक गर्नु हुने छैन।
My father want check the copy.
Thank you.